There are moments in life that are truly priceless. The ones where you just want to stop time and savor every detail, every emotion. Right now, we are living one of those moments. After 5 long months apart, our little family is about to be together again. Welcome to La Bohème Family, a trio with big dreams. I'm Roberta, and this is my partner Onur. And she is our little adventurer Luna. We are on a journey to live a life filled with freedom and unforgettable experiences. We decide to break away from the conventional lifestyle and set sail around the world in our trusty sailboat. Join us as we navigate the seas, discover new culture, and share the highs and lows of our sailing adventure. So, hit the subscribe button and let's sail together. Moment is coming. We are packing all the bags. In 2 days, we're gonna leave Italy. With only a short time left before we leave Italy, the excitement is in the air as we prepare, packing bags, organizing everything, and counting down the hours to this long-awaited reunion. Good morning, Luna.
Turquía.
See. Today we're going to see Daddy. Luna, we are ready to go. Everything is ready. We are leaving right now. We're going to Rome to take the flight. And then from Rome we will arrive to Istanbul. Bye-bye. Manda un bacino, Luna. Daddy, we are coming. We are in the airport. Luna, as always, brought her joy to the journey. Flipping through a book, sneaking in a nap, and just taking it all in. And then finally we arrived in Istanbul. Seeing Luna in her daddy's arms again was a moment I'll never forget. My heart felt like it could burst. It was pure magic. We spent 3 wonderful days in Istanbul, exploring the city, creating memories, and savoring every second together. Good morning, Luna. What are you gonna eat today? Strawberry. Look at this. How are you, Daddy?
I'm good.
Turkish breakfast. Turkish tea. What a nice good morning. Luna, cosa vuoi tu?
Oliva.
Oliva?
No, 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 quello.
Here we are with Padrino.
Cheers!
Luna, say hello.
Ciao!
Chin chin. And now that we are finally reunited, the world feels a little brighter, a little more beautiful. Hello everybody. Good morning.
Good
Here
morning,
is
guys.
Morning. You can see this beautiful pajama guy.
So finally we have a Turkish coffee,
Yeah, finally Turkish coffee, the real one.
the real one, yeah, chin chin.
Chin chin.
So we finally come together in South Turkey right now in Adana.
Yeah, we are in Onur's mom house. Luna is sleeping and she's enjoying time with grandma and with daddy especially. She's super happy to stay with daddy, and actually she's happy that we are together because when we are sitting, the three of us, she's putting in the middle and she's saying tutti insieme, which means all together. So she's definitely enjoying this time together.
And also she's enjoying with grandma time, which is learning a little bit Turkish from grandma, and grandma learned from English and Italian from Luna. So they are,
Yeah, it's
they are
super
exchanging.
funny because she's speaking Italian, grandma is not understanding, but they're definitely enjoying.
They are figuring out how to talk. So also the grandma show us so many different things that we like it to put in the boat actually in the future.
Yeah.
For example, this dry fruit that she has a machine here.
Yeah, this is dry apple and dried, I don't know in English the name.
What was the Italian that? Hurma in Turkish.
Well,
I don't know.
we don't know in English.
I forgot the English name. But this is apricot, for example, dry apricot. So basically, what you are doing, you are just buying the fresh fruit and cutting it and putting in the machine and giving a day, and it will be like a dry snack for you. It's a healthy way to snack. So, for example, if you are buying so much junk food, for us in the boat, this type of fruit, it will be snack for us, which is which is really
very
good.
healthy, and especially for Luna, she's loving this. So we will put in the boot for sure.
Exactly, definitely, we wanted to boat for sure. But we have a new announcement also.
Yeah.
We like a year ago we bought a camper in Italy, actually in Sicily.
In Sicily, yeah.
It was not working actually.
It was
Everything
just-
broke down.
Yeah, it was broken.
I took it all the way to Napoli, and then I fixed it, and I brought it all the way to Turkey in South Adana. And right now I finished most of the things, but right now I have to finish the outside of the camper.
Yeah.
So when we done this, we are thinking to go to Italy with the camper.
Yeah, we're thinking to travel a little bit with the camper from here to Italy, enjoying all the coast and
Show the size. It's winter time, but it's still a nice place to stay and
Yeah.
see the nature and things.
Luna definitely loves the camper. She's falling asleep right away.
Right away, yeah. Normally she's not sleeping, but when she's entering the camper, when the camper run, I think the noise is make like a white
Yeah.
noise,
Probably, yes.
and she's straight asleep, and she's not waking up until the camper stop.
Yeah. So yeah, we have this new project here, and then obviously next season we will be in Maine for the sailboat.
Yeah. For the next thing, I want to explain you guys about the Turkish coffee, American coffee, or espresso. What is the difference? What is the story on that? For example, the Turkish coffee should be drink like elegant, like you have to take time and sit all together. It is thick, not like a espresso.
Yeah.
It is more thick.
It's definitely totally different from
totally
normal
different,
coffee,
and takes time to drink, not like a just shot and the go.
Yeah.
And we can explain you how the coffee stories and comes one time.
Yeah.
And also we want to show you in here, the South Turkey, what is the regional food. Actually, people, they thought only kebab the Turkish food, but we have so many
different things.
Yeah. So I wish we will show it to all of this. In the next episode. Yeah.
And like always, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting and for following our journey, which is definitely long. We started like, how long ago?
4 months ago.
Yeah, but it's very intense. So, but finally there is this bright side that we are together and we are enjoying time together. So as always, if you want to buy us Turkish coffee this time, you can scan the QR code or use the link. Or if you want to be part of our Patreon community,
which is important,
which we will definitely upgrade the page and put some exclusive content, you can scan the QR code or use the link. Thank you so much for watching and for your support.
Thank you guys. Cheers.
Cheers. Chin chin.
Chin chin.